Melissa, what do we have here?
We have manga.
And green mangoes over here in Recto. Bumili ka rin ba ng mangga? Ilan ang iyong binili? Bakit ang dami? Kaya mo ubusin yan? Oh,
Share.
to be shared with friends. Ang maasim na mangga is best shared with friends. Tama nga naman. Do you like your mangga with salt or with bagoong or may weird salt? Wala ka namang weird na sausawan? Wala. Okay. Do you come here every day to buy your mangoes? No, not really. Okay, what's your name, my friend?
Van.
Van. Van from? From FEU. Ayan. Van and her friends from FEU. Say hi, guys. Ayan, ang mga friends ni Van, mga napakasipag na students ng FEU who are having their snack right now. Ikaw naman, bro. How many have you sold today? Nakailang ka na ba?
Benta?
Oo. Nakailang piraso ka na? Ilan?
50 pesos.
50 pieces! Woo! Pwede pala. I think I'm gonna change my profession from being a tour guide. I will sell mangoes. Hopefully, I will top his sales. I will beat his sales. I can sell more than 50 pieces of mangoes a day. And at night, I will lie down and sleep like a rich man. Like this guy over here. Bro, what's your name? Ben. So Ben, nandito ka ba every day?
Yes.
Okay, Ben is here. Ben's mango stand is here in the corner of Recto and Borayta every day. So if you're looking for something sour to eat, try Ed's Green Mangoes here in Recto. See ya!